What's going on? My name is Cole Connor. I run Bo Los Angeles, a real estate marketing company here in Los Angeles, California. And today I'm going to take you through a $1,200 day in the life of a real estate photographer. Let's get into it. What's going on? My name is Cole Connor. I'm an artist and entrepreneur, and I was put here to do two things: create and inspire. Thanks for being here. Let's get into it. What do you think? Different vibe? I kind of like it. Gotta make sure, sunscreened up, you feel? It's important for the skin. That's what they say. On days like today, I gotta leave him in the cage. But I have daycare that comes through and picks him up, which is cool, and takes him, and he gets to hang out with a bunch of dogs. And so they pick him up between 8 and 11, and they drop him off usually between like 5 and 8, something like that. So it lets him have some fun, and I don't have to worry about him, and I can go and do all my shoots and not have to come home. So I have to squeeze into my car. And even though I can barely open my door all the way. I know I'm not the neatest with it, guys, so don't judge. Don't judge me if I won't judge you, you know? All right, so we have 5 shoots today, 4 photo shoots, 1 video shoot. That's why I wanted to do a day in the life of a real estate photographer today. It's not always this busy. In fact, it's maybe like 1 or 2 days a week do I get to be this busy, which I'm lucky to even be this busy. So don't get it twisted. If it was like this every week, I would be a very rich man. But it's not. But this is what it's like when it's busy. I'm leaving at about the perfect time. It's 8:21. I'm supposed to be at my first shoot between 8:30, 8:45. No one's gonna be there. And I just take a couple shots, so it's not a big deal. But first, I gotta go get some coffee. Oh, and we're gonna break down how much I made at each shoot, just to show you the total at the end of the day and what you could possibly do too. On my way anywhere, usually, if there's enough time, I'll call people. There's a lot of driving here in Los Angeles, it's like the longest part, which is a lot of times I do calls or podcasts. I think right now, because I only got a 10-minute drive, I'm going to listen to some Kill Tony. Shout out Kill Tony. I'll go to the first one, and I already missed a turn. That would be 8 minutes behind. Not mad about it though. It's all good. All right, we have arrived. I just looked at the notes for this one. I've already shot the outside, the exterior for this client. So now I'm gonna shoot pretty much just the interior of a very small unit. So it shouldn't take very long at all. This is my minimum package. So this shoot is gonna be $175. So I do that, if they just want like 10-ish photos, then I do it for $175. I usually bring my bag in, but it's gonna be so quick, I'm not, just in case. I wanna get the shoes wet. I don't think I've ever had to try this many keys in my life. Let's cut on the lights. So because I know this is only like a 10-ish photo package, they really only ask for 5 photos. I'm only gonna take the angles that I know that they'll use and that they'll like. So it should be very quick. I got here at 8:50. I'll tell you what I'm doing. Quick note while it's on my mind. I like to schedule my weeks like this. For example, let's say I have 10 appointments a week, which is really good if you think about it. 10 appointments a week. I would love to just knock them all out in 2 days. Do as many as I can in one day. And then all the other days I just use for editing, doing creative stuff, doing things I'm passionate about, making sure I focus on my health and all that stuff. Okay, it's only like 8:50 and I already have to pee. I feel like I'm going to do something else at some point. This might sound crazy, but I got here at 8:50. It's 9 o'clock now. I turned on all the lights. I started shooting at 8:55. Yes, you do still have to edit, so let's not get it twisted. But once you know what to shoot, knock it out like that. Okay, so that's 175. It was about 15-ish minutes on site. And I'm pretty much just gonna throw my preset on there in the editing, and this is what the photos look like. All right, this next one is further away than I thought, so that's already more bad planning on my part. Luckily, that one went by faster than I thought, so we're good. We're 20 minutes away from the next one for the same client, same type of shoot. And then we have to kind of go back across probably 25 minutes to get to my 10:15. So let's do it. All right, just arrived at the second shoot and should be pretty simple. So, and I got here at about 9:35 and I decided to bring my bag in because this one's a little bit sketchy feeling. Knock this out. And it's not a race, just say I'm not racing, I'm just doing it. I am in a hurry today, but I'm not like slacking on quality. This is just how long it takes me to do it. I'm not really sure about whether I should leave those open or not, but this is the same client that just wants a couple photos of interior and exterior, so I do the 175 for them as well. Because I've been doing this so long, this is just like robotic, go through the motions type of shoot. It doesn't have to be creative. You don't have to like stare at the room and think of some shot. That's why I can do it for the cheaper price. It doesn't take me very long and it ends up being very profitable. All right, I'm all done with the interior. And now I'm just going to close everything back up and do a couple shots for the exterior and we're all done. It's like 10 minutes or less. And that's with vlogging. These things are so precarious. I really keep my head on a swivel everywhere in LA. So when I'm putting my bag back in the car and tripod and carrying my bag around, I gotta be careful. You never know, for real. Okay, so that took about 10, 15 minutes, 175, and here are the final shots. Late, so now I'm gonna be 15 minutes late to my 10:15, which is unfortunate. I have a meeting at 11:15, or actually it's supposed to be 11, but now it's gonna have to be 11:15 if I can hurry and do this other shoot. This is just like, you never know with traffic how it's gonna go. You miss one turn, you do one thing wrong, then your whole day could be pushed back. So luckily, I think this is the only part of my day that I'll be like late for. I think everything else will be on time. Okay, so all these clients this morning are honestly really cheap when you're talking about LA pricing. Back in South Carolina, it's still really expensive, but for LA, it's very cheap. So this next client is a bigger company that hires me, and they said they're gonna give me about 15 to 20 smaller homes a month. It's been more like, I think 10-ish, maybe close to 15, I don't know. But anyway, so I was like, okay, I'll do 10-ish photos for 150 if you can keep up with the quantity, the volume, etc. And then they asked me just to film a little walkthrough that's not edited at all. I do zero editing. I just take my phone and I walk through and send it to them. So it only takes me like 20 minutes, takes me like 20-ish minutes, maybe 30 to edit. And some of them are bigger, so it's kind of annoying, but as long as they give me like 10 to 15, that's a guaranteed 1,500 to 2,000, 2,500, whatever it is per month, which I'm okay with, especially when you just don't know how it's going to be sometimes. So this is one of those clients. It's a volume client. I'm heading there now, and I'll let you know once I get there. Oh, hi there. Thanks for watching so far. I appreciate it. This is a quick, ad break for myself because I don't have sponsors. Not yet, but I will soon. If you are interested in real estate photography or a photographer in general and you want some extra ways to make money, you can check out my Skillshare class at the link in bio. Do the Skillshare free trial if that floats your boat. It helps me, it helps you, it's mutually beneficial. Not only that, but I have just launched a brand new preset pack. We've got Twilight, we've got drone shots, exterior, interior. Check it out and make sure to use the coupon code for seeing this video. You can check it out in the description. Or my client's client will be here at this one, the homeowner. So I might not be able to film, might be able to film, I don't know, we'll see. Right now it's 10:31, so we'll see. Hopefully I can finish by 11 so I can get to my 11:15 meeting. minutes. 150. Cha-ching. Now I'm heading to my 11 appointment, 11 o'clock, but I did move it to 11:15, but maybe I didn't need to, so. Driving through the hills, driving through the hills. So I'm out here with Jamie.
What's up, guys?
Hey, he is a subscriber, saw some of my videos. Now we're having coffee. This is how it happens. Jamie, do you want to tell him a little bit about what you do?
So I'm a fellow real estate content creator, and I do have my own business. I just made a call. It's awesome, like getting like a lot of advice, and he knows a lot of stuff about like real estate media services, and I'm getting like a good information. And I have my YouTube channel too. It's Jamian. So if you guys want to check it out, yeah, feel free to
subscribe to Jamie. All right, meeting with Jamie is over. Now I get a quick break before I have to head to my Airbnb shoot at 1 o'clock. Almost time to leave. All right, super glad I got that little break. Now I am gonna get some gas because then headed to an Airbnb shoot, and then a video shoot after that. So halfway there. In the hills for reals. All right, so we have arrived. This is an Airbnb shoot. $300. It will probably take about an hour. A lot more photos, a lot more rooms, stuff like that. And check this out. It's right by the Hollywood sign. So this one's so nice. I'm going to take some detail shots as well. And I switched lenses. And that's a wrap with, took about 1:15. That includes my trying to figure out why my camera wasn't working and all the shots, detail shots, etc. I'm just double checking everything's good to go. And we have a little like hour-and-a-half break before the video shoot. Always get a little nervous before video shoots because it just entails a little more. And this one, I really want to go well. I mean, I want them all to go well, but I want this one to go well because it has an intro, I think. And a lot of people don't order an intro, so I want to make sure that, we can knock it out the park so I get more people to do intros. So yeah, just made 300, and here are the shots. All right, so that's done. I've been kind of chilling in the car for a few minutes, just taking a break. I'm gonna hit Chick-fil-A real quick because I'm like an hour early to the shoot. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna go over some lines for this audition that I got. So let's do it. I feel like I've said "so" at the end of every video. Sorry about that. So talk to my sister. Got some Chick-fil-A. I forgot to say that. Oh, I'm feeling kind of tired and bored. I got 21 minutes. All right, let the video shoot begin. Just a drone. Now I have to knock out this super cool house. Let's do it. All right, we are all done. About to lock up. We did some lifestyle shots, met the cutest puppy at Jack's, and the agent Amanda was super nice. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty tired, but overall, man, I stress about days like this for some reason, but it was totally great. There's nothing to worry about, or nothing to have anxiety about. It's like work anxiety. It's like you're busy, so you're like, oh my god, I don't want to mess up, I don't want to do a bad job, blah blah blah. But I try not to think about it, but sometimes I still do. But yeah, this went super great, super smooth. I always get the most nervous about drone stuff, especially in the hills. But this was no problem. And what am I trying to say? So that's $650. Here's what I did.
Hey guys, I'm Amanda and this is Jax, and welcome to 8329 Kirkwood Drive.
Obviously I had to do editing. Obviously it's gonna take a long time to do all the editing, but yeah, I did get paid that much today, so pretty cool. So let's add it all up. We got 175 plus 175 plus 150 plus 300 plus 650. Gosh, it's a kitty! Oh my gosh! All right, I'm home now. It's 6:43. I'm not gonna go through all the other stuff I'm gonna do. I calculated it. It's probably gonna be 8-ish hours of work left to do, and that is an hour and maybe less, honestly, an hour and a half for probably 3 of the homes because they're so small. Then I'm gonna go with 2 hours for the Airbnb shoot, and then so that's 3.5 hours, and maybe 4. Yeah, I guess 8. So 8 hours of work, maybe 4-ish hours for the video edit. So yeah, that's about 16 hours total. Most of it was driving and waiting around today. I think the actual work, probably 4.5 hours of work today. So however you want to calculate it, that's between 12 and 16 hours of work. And I made 375 plus 150 is 100, 525 plus 300 is 825 plus 600 is 1425 plus 50 is 1475. All right, my name's Cole. Thanks for tuning in. If you like the preset or if you like the pictures, you might want to check out the new presets that I just dropped in the description. I got like a bundle deal going on, especially for my YouTube people. You can use the coupon code. Yeah, and if you haven't checked out the Skillshare course, I would check that out too. My name is Cole. Please like, subscribe, all that jazz. And this is a day in the life of a real estate talker.
Back with a vengeance, no cap, homie, that's what revenge is. I'm a cool cat, but I'm stuck in a race with a motherfucking rat in a pigeon. Fucking at or mention me a fat rat, you be back in the kitchen.
Young soda, master splinter, mathematicians back in position. When the journey ends.